Come test drive the 2023 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, privacy glass, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.